Hey, what's up, Troy? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Spoke to Roxana a little earlier today. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you how to improve your online presence to start bringing in more customers. I make these attack plans because a lot of business owners don't have the time to just go and do their research and learn how to make the internet bring in more customers for them. And so I give away these attack plans for free. Some people end up going and doing it themselves. Some end up calling me back and just having me do it for them. But at the end of this all, if you see I've got some tricks on my sleeve and I can do some good for your business, call me. We can chat. If you want to take this information and just apply it yourself, that's okay too. Now, this is a little different than most videos I do because let me just explain a little quick backstory. I found you on Craigslist under CMS Renovations, and it was actually my assistant who found you, and I was looking for contractors and plumbers. I ended up calling Roxana. She gave me your email, and then I couldn't find anything about CMS Renovations. Now, I did find Complete Management Services that is tied to you through your LinkedIn. It says you're a business management consultant. So if this video is completely wrong, that's fine. These techniques work for any niche, but I'm using Houston Renovations. It says you're in Houston. Your name has Renovations on Craigslist, so we're going with it. So to start, when Google ranks a website, their whole goal is to put a customer in front of the website that's going to answer all of their questions. So the website that's going to answer all their questions is the website that has the most content. So if you see the guys that pop up first for Houston Renovations, it's Premier Remodel. You're going to want to beat them in content. And you can see they're very dense with all these words here. They probably have about 700, 800 words. So what I'd recommend for you to beat them once you put your website up is get about 1,500 words on there to blow them out of the water. Now, you want to also have more your keywords in there more times than them. So like Houston Renovations or Houston Home Remodeling, you see how they kind of snuck that in? That's the kind of stuff that you want to have within your text. You don't want to put it like 10 times though, because Google knows they'll think you're gaming the system. You just want to put it like 2 or 3 times, but just like 1 or 2 times more than these guys. And then also your images do save as or do count as content. So you also want to save your images as those keywords like Houston Renovations, Houston Remodeling, stuff like that. It's how you make yourself an authority on that topic. After Google deems you an authority, they want to make sure that you're trustworthy. And so they judge you based off of how many other websites are linking to you, driving traffic to your website. Keep in mind, though, they want to see other relevant websites linking to you. So you're going to get a lot more power from other contracting companies or remodeling companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. You see your Premier Remodel has 203 websites linking to them. Super easy to beat. You can add about 10 to 15 a week and you'll be pretty good there. So it'll take you probably about half a year, a little less than half a year to beat them. But once you do beat them, and the best way to do that, by the way, is copy them. So if the links rank for them, they'll rank for you too. Just go see what websites are linking to them, go to those websites, hit contact us, and find a way to get a link. But if you beat them in content and you beat them in links, you start getting their traffic. These guys have 2.6 thousand people every single month going to their website. People typically don't look up like home remodeling for fun, probably more than plumbing, but most of the time they're looking that stuff up for like help, right? So imagine how many customers are getting every single month by just doing this properly. That's all free content, free backlinks, right? Last thing I'm going to talk to you about really quick, Troy, is when somebody does type in Houston Renovations and they're ready to buy, they call the first remodeling company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that company because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. It could be from bad experiences in the past. They just have ad blockers, what have you. The best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. To get here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories across the web. Directories are just like websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the most common ones. What I'd recommend is I'd put your name, address, and phone number in the same directories as your competitors, but then add a bunch more on top. So like, if Incredible Homes and Renovations here is in 150 directories, I put yourself in like 250, 300, right? I got a list of about 500 myself. So that's all I've got for you, Troy. I hope you found this informative. I hope this made sense for what you do. If not, just let me know as a response. I am really curious. But as a quick recap, if you did want to beat them, you want to beat Premier Remodeling, you need to have more content than them. You need to have your keywords in there more times. You need to also beat them, put that content, save your images correctly, and put those keywords inside the image names. You're also going to want to have more websites linking to you, and you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than all your competitors. Troy, if you want to take this information and apply it yourself, please do. This is completely free education. I don't expect anything in return besides just a sentence of feedback to let me know if you thought this was valuable info. And if you do want some help taking care of this stuff, or if you know someone else that could, or just want to chit chat, my phone number is 214-441-6737. If you look at the top of my name over here also, you'll see it. But either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, Troy, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.